Condos are particularly popular among young families and retirees. If you are contemplating buying a condo but not quite sure how to go about it, this is totally normal. Because buying a property is one of the biggest decisions you will ever make in your life. You want to ensure that you are making a responsible choice. Here's some factors to help you consider. Let's start with what are the benefits of owning a condo. Number 1. Cost. The cost of owning a condo varies according to different factors like location, the size of the unit, and the cost of living in situated area. Industry experts agree that condos are generally cheaper than single homes overall. Number 2. Amenities. In addition to the unit that you own, you also co-own other spaces such as fitness facilities, swimming pool, theater, entertainment room, barbecue areas, and other value-added services that you wouldn't otherwise afford as a single homeowner. Number 3. Security. If safety is a major concern, condos offer good security systems, and usually with security guards available 24/7. It's also a fact that you live in close proximity to other owners, meaning if anything were to happen, they will be more available to assist you. If you are a frequent traveler, it does help to know that your property is safe when you are not around. Number 4. Low maintenance. As a condo owner, you are only accountable for the interior maintenance of your unit. All exterior repair and maintenance tasks are taken care by the condo management company. This includes things like lawn mowing, repainting, replacement of broken windows, and so on. Next, let's talk about important questions to ask before buying a condo. 1. Where should I buy my condo? Based on your lifestyle, you can determine which area you would like to stay. Also find out what the neighborhood is like. Is it a quiet or a busy area? Is it a high crime rate area? 2. What is the condition of the condo? You need to find out whether the condo building or complex is in a good state. 3. How many units are owner-occupied? It is important to know how many units are already owned and how many units are still for sale. Good quality condos are usually so in demand that they will sell out within months or 2 years after breaking ground. 4. How much are the condo maintenance fees? You would not want to end up paying beyond your means. Learn about the reserve fund and whether it is sufficient to handle repairs and other expenses it is intended for. Investigate how many times and percentages it increases each year. Here are a few other things to consider before finalizing. Find out if your condo offers personal storage space and the cost, in case you need to rent the space. Find out how many parking spots are allocated to you as part of the condo package and how much it will cost for additional parking spot. Let's talk about the property management company. It is good to have some insight into how the property is managed. Is it managed by an experienced condo management company? Are they reputable? Find out about the type of complaints owners usually put forward and how these are handled by the management. Industry experts suggest that it is a good idea to know if there are any past or pending lawsuits against management or even owner to owner. Finally, condo rules and restrictions. As mentioned earlier, adhering to rules and restrictions is part of condo living. You have to know what the rules are. Condo rules typically determine whether pets are allowed inside the building, what you are not allowed to do with your balcony. For people who are looking into buying a condo for investment purposes, you might want to find out the rules about rental as well. In some condos, subletting is forbidden. If they are allowed, find out what is the procedure. When moving in, take into consideration that it will probably cause disruption. So you might have to notify the condo management. Make it a point to find out what is required from you on the day you move in. Do you have to book extra help and do they need to register? Do you have to book the elevator? And check the timing you are allowed to move. These factors might seem tiny, but they can mean the difference between a smooth or frustrating move. To wrap this up, the process of buying a condo is not that different compared with buying a landed home. The important part is doing your research. Know what to look out for, what to ask, and understand what you are getting yourself into. Use this information to make an informed decision that you will be happy at the end. Hi, this is Jimmy from Revolve Realty Jalan Klang Lama office. Let's get together and discuss the best way to purchase your next dream home and turn that dream into your address.